As Allah says in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 125, Udu ila sabili rabbika bil-hikma wal ma'uditil hasna wajadilhum billati ahsan. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them in the ways that are best and most gracious. There was an article, a survey done by Rajesh Almanik yearbook in 1984. It was repeated in the Plain Truth magazine. A survey was done about the increase in the major world religions in a span of 50 years from 1934 to 1984. And number one, the maximum increase was in the religion of Islam, 235%. Christianity, only 47%. I'm asking the question, which war took place in the span of 50 years between 1934 and 1984, which converted millions of non-Muslims to Islam? Which war? Which war? Today, the fastest growing religion in the world is Islam. The fastest growing religion in America is Islam. The fastest growing religion in Europe is Islam. I am asking, who is forcing these Americans, these Europeans to accept Islam at the point of the sword?